If you're gaming on Windows and your PC doesn't perform as well as it should, this video is for you. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you 10 settings you can change right now to get the most out of your PC. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is go in search bar, type adjust, click on adjust appearance and performance, then choose adjust for best performance, apply, okay. Next thing you want to do is go to your search bar, type in defrag, click on defrag and optimize drivers, and then click optimize. Then you want to go to your search bar once again, type in this cleanup, click on it, select everything here, click OK, delete files. Next thing you want to do is press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open your task manager. Go to the startup apps, right click on them all and disable them. These apps run every time you open your PC and they use a lot of your CPU and memory. But hey, make sure you don't close your security protection because you don't want to. If you're on a laptop, press Windows I to open your settings, go to Systems, go to Power and Battery, click the drop down in Power Mode, select the best performance. You can leave best power efficiency on battery. Open your settings once again, go to Apps, Installed Apps, click on the 3 dots beside each app. Click on Advanced Options. Go to Background App Permission, press the drop down, click on Never. Head back to your settings, go to Systems and Display, scroll down, find Advanced Display setting, click on it. Go to Choose Refresh Rate, click the highest refresh rate possible. Head back to your display settings, scroll down to Unify Graphics, and click Optimize for Windows Games. Also, on the Advanced Graphics settings, click on the drop down. Make sure the hard acceleration GPU scheduling is on and variable refresh rate is on. Then you want to scroll down and select the game you are playing. Make sure your GPU preference is on the current GPU, not Intel. And also make sure Optimized Windows Gaming is on. Head back to your search bar, type in Game Mode Settings, click on it, go to your Game Mode, make sure it's on. Head back to your settings again, go to Gaming, Game Bar, make sure it's off. A bonus tip for those of you with an NVIDIA graphics card, right click, go to Show More Options, and select the NVIDIA Control Panel. On the top left corner, select Adjust Image Preview and choose Level 3 app to side. You might have noticed that I've used some shortcuts throughout the video, but it's only a small part of what Windows can actually do. Check out my shortcut video on the top right corner, and as always, thank you for watching.